क्या आप इलेक्शन नए सेंसस का रिजल्ट आने से पहले कराने वाले, ताकि वो नए सेंसस का हमारे ऊपर इतलाक ना हो? दीज आर द क्वेश्चन विच नीड्स टू बी आंसर्ड, सर। और ये जीएचएमसी वाले शेयर ही नहीं करे। Why did they not share with us, sir, is the question, sir. Sir, I would demand the GHMC to place the map and the population and area details of each 300 wards before the public. Moreover, after delimitation exercise is completed, the reservation for wards and expanded GHMC has to be taken up. I may point out that reservation for wards for women, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe is done on the basis of census population, while the reservation for wards of backward is done on the basis of their voter strength. SC STs का आपको सेंसस पे करना पड़ेगा। तो हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू डू द रिजर्वेशन ऑफ सीट्स विदाउट द न्यू सेंसस? Are you going to do it on the population basis, or are you going to do it on the whole census? What when new census report comes? Are you going to hold the elections before the new census? क्या आप इलेक्शन नए सेंसस का रिजल्ट आने से पहले कराने वाले, ताकि वो नए सेंसस का हमारे ऊपर इतलाक ना हो? These are the questions which needs to be answered, sir. Sir, I would like to point out the reorganization of circles and zones and expanded GHMC have also been done in a hurry, bypassing the rules and procedures that entail that issue be first cleared by the standing committee and the general body, sir. Standing committee और general body में clearance होना है उसका. लेकिन sir, I may point out that Qutbullahpur zone has 7 circles. Rajendra Nagar has 6 circles. Malkajgiri, Uppal, Charminar, Golconda, Khairtabad, Secunderabad, Sri Ringampalli have 5 circles each. Whereas LB Nagar, Shamshabad, Kukatpalli have 4 circles. The main drawback in the entire exercise of delimitation of wards and reorganization of circle and zone is that the basis, principles, procedure have not been followed, sir. Sir, ward circle zones cut across and spill over assembly constituencies, sir, boundaries. Sir, I may point out that some areas, I'm giving an example of my Chandrayana-Gutta constituency, sir, have been included into wards falling under other assembly constituencies, vice versa, sir. Moreover, circle falling under the areas of assembly constituency in city have been included into zones spilling into assembly constituencies of neighboring districts. Circles falling under Bahadurpura and Chandrayana-Gutta assembly constituencies have been included in Rajendra Nagar zone. So now, my constituency people will have to go to Rajendra Nagar zonal office for all their works, the GHMC, to clarify on the criterion used for delimitation exercise to whatever it is, is it 2011 population or any projected population of the voter strength, sir. The delimitation exercise comprises 4 components: demarcated boundaries, map population, territorial data. The GHMC authorities have not shared, sir. They have not shared the crucial data which is the basis of any delimitation exercise with the corporators, nor with ex officio members and the general public, sir. Why haven't you shared it? Why are you hiding it? Why are you keeping it to yourself? Sir, I will point out that delimitation commission constituted to demarcate the assembly and parliamentary constituency shares the data on census population, area and demarcated boundaries of each constituency, even issuing the preliminary notification and the final notification. The GHMC amendment and second amendment bill to the select committee, sir. Please refer it to the select committee, sir.